boy from the backwoods, thought I never would find my way. Sweet girl, straight from downtown, where I was just another face.
Well, this could truly be the best opportunity for horse lovers and property buyers today. We're on over 5 hectares of usable land with horse infrastructure, fencing, water, literally everything you can need on a property this size is here and ready to buy. Go check it out.
Behind me we have a beautifully renovated 4-bedroom home, plus a study, a pool and a large entertaining deck. Come check it out.
We're just getting started. Southbound for the border, somewhere no one knows our names. But I know when I hold you, I'ma love you till the grave. We're just getting started. We're just getting started. Taking the sunset in old Mexico, running and loving our way down the coast. Nothing to lose, 'cause with you I am home. Here